The Itel S23 Plus is probably the best. No, it is the best Itel smartphone ever made. But of course, it comes at a price, which is 148,000 naira, and for that price, the features you are getting are unbelievable. So let's dive into the Itel S23 Plus to see what makes it tick. But before that, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it, and click on that subscribe button as well so that we can get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you. Unboxing the Itel S23 Plus, you are greeted with the phone and its accessories, a clear plastic case, a USB Type-C earphone, and a USB Type-C cable. There is no charging brick, which is quite surprising from Itel, but hey, it is what it is. The design of the Itel S23 Plus reminds me of the Tecno Phantom X2. It is made out of glossy plastic at the rear. It comes in two color options, Lake Cyan and Elemental Blue. Let me know your favorite color of the Itel S23 Plus in the comment section below. At the sides of the Itel S23 Plus, we get the volume keys and power button. At the bottom, there is the dual nano SIM card slot and a Type-C charging port. There is no headphone jack, which is also quite surprising from Itel, but hey, we are getting flagship treatment here. Moving on to the display, the Itel S23 Plus has a massive 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. It is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and has a peak brightness of 500 nits, which makes it the best display you can get on any Itel smartphone currently. The curvature of the display is 59 degrees, which isn't much, so don't worry about accidental presses and stuff like that. Also, it has a 93% screen to body ratio, which is impressive. So whether you're watching videos or you're gaming, the experience is solid on the Itel S23 Plus. It however lacks stereo speakers, which is a bummer. The Itel S23 Plus ships with Android 13 and Itel OS 13 skin on top of it. Itel OS 13 has a couple of new features, the Aviana voice assistant and the dynamic bar being the top features. The Aviana voice assistant can do normal assistant duties like opening an app, telling the weather and doing calculations, but what makes it special is the fact that it has ChatGPT integrated into it, so you can tell it to generate resumes, recipes and stuff like that for you, which is really cool. The dynamic bar feature, which is a replica of the dynamic island feature on iPhone, works exactly like how it does on iPhone. It can display your charging status and call status among other things. There are also rumors that we'll be getting Android 14 updates on the Itel S23 Plus, which will be huge if true, so fingers crossed on that. Performance on the Itel S23 Plus is okay. It runs on the Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset, which is manufactured on a 12nm process. We get 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Gaming is okay on the Itel S23 Plus, however I would say you should manage your expectations so that you can get the best performance out of it. Powering the Itel S23 Plus is a 5000 mAh battery. It is capable of lasting you through the entire day, and when it's time to charge it, it is capable of 18 watts fast charging. Sadly, the charging brick doesn't come with the device, which is still surprising from Itel because Itel normally bundles the charging brick and other stuff with their devices, so it's crazy to say that this device doesn't come with a charging brick, but hey, I think that's the world we live in nowadays. Flipping the Itel S23 Plus, we are presented with 3 rings containing a 50 megapixel main camera, a 0.8 megapixel camera, and a LED flash. Basically, we get one proper camera which is capable of taking okay photos and videos up to 1080p 30 frames per second, which is the same for the 32 megapixel selfie camera as well. Securing the Itel S23 Plus is an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, which is the first from Itel. Then there's also face unlock, which uses the 32 megapixel selfie camera. And yeah, that's it on the Itel S23 Plus. What are your thoughts and opinion? Let me know in the comment section below. I personally think the Itel S23 Plus is an impressive device with unbeatable features at this price range. So yeah, thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.